Hi guys, today we are unboxing a brand new gaming chair that I just got, and I think we start by cutting the tape. I'm not a big unboxer, I don't know how to do this. Alright guys, I think I figured it out. We gotta flip it down and okay, yeah, I got it. Come on. I don't know how to unbox, guys. My kitties are gonna make this challenging. Come on, let's go. I'm struggling, guys. Okay. Open this up. Oh, great. Looks like we have to build this. That's alright. The head. There's this thing. They could go up or down. Wheels. Guys, do you want me to just cut while I unbox everything? I got building to do. I'll get back when it's done. The living room's too small for this. Instruction. No, there's still no unboxing. Alright, so we're gonna get building now. Alright guys, this is my new brand new chair. Let me show you how it works. So this lever right down here and makes it go back like this, and then if I pull it up again, it goes back up like this. And then this right here is how you adjust the height of it. Like this. And yeah, that's pretty much all this chair. Yeah, I forgot the footrest. You can pull it out like this and then do this. Cool. And you can also even better. Roll back while you're doing it. And then you can just flip it over and push it back in. So that's it for the Epic Gaming Chair. So now we're gonna put this chair in and replace it with my other one. Let's go. We're gonna replace it with this chair. Much better. Now I can play on my computer way easier. So that's pretty much all for this video. Bye guys! Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.